Should you move to Germany as a doctor? Here are the key facts. This video is brought to you by Medbridge, professional support for international doctors wishing to move to Germany. Thinking about moving abroad as a doctor? Germany might be the perfect destination for you. With a growing demand for medical professionals, excellent salaries, and a high quality of life, Germany offers a promising future. But is it the right move for you? Let's break it down. Germany's healthcare system is one of the best in the world. But there's a problem, a shortage of doctors. By 2035, Germany will be lacking over 100,000 physicians. This creates huge opportunities for foreign doctors, especially those willing to integrate and adapt to the system. From general practitioners to specialists, there is a high demand across various medical fields. So if you're a doctor looking for stability, growth, and a rewarding career, Germany is calling. Let's talk about the benefits. First, salary and job security. Doctors in Germany earn between €5,000 to €15,000 per month, depending on specialization and experience. It's one of the most financially rewarding countries for medical professionals. Second, work-life balance. Unlike some countries where doctors work extreme hours, Germany has regulated working conditions with reasonable shifts and paid holidays. Third, pathway to citizenship. Moving to Germany as a doctor also means you have a clear path to permanent residency and even citizenship after a few years of working and living here. But let's be real. Moving to Germany as a doctor comes with challenges. The biggest one? Language. You need at least B2 or C1 German proficiency to practice medicine here. The medical licensing exams are in German, so learning the language is non-negotiable. Another challenge is the recognition of your degree. If you studied outside the EU, you may need additional training or exams before receiving full approval to work independently. But don't worry, there are agencies and programs that help foreign doctors navigate this process. So, how do you start your journey? Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1, learn German, aim for B2/C1. Step 2, get your medical degree recognized, Anerkennung process. Step 3, apply for a visa and work permit. Step 4, find a hospital willing to employ you. Step 5, start your career in Germany. If you follow these steps, you'll be well on your way to working as a doctor in Germany. Germany is full of opportunities for doctors, and with the right preparation, you can build a successful career here. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content on working abroad, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Dreaming of practicing medicine in Germany? Medbridge's Doc Prep program guides you through recognition, licensing, and visa processes, step by step. Start your journey today.